Hi, I'm Eli and I'm very happy to be today with the co-founder and CEO of RSK, also known as Rootstock. So, hi Ruben.
Hi, Eli.
Can you please present yourself?
Sure. My name is Ruben Altman. I'm one of the co-founders and COO of RSK. That is the first smart contracts platform powered by the Bitcoin network.
So, how did you came up with this idea of the RSK?
Well, we think that Bitcoin has introduced a lot of benefits into our society, and it's the first step towards what we call the Internet of Value. That it's an era on the internet where we will be able to exchange any kind of valuable asset throughout blockchain technologies. So you will be able to represent fiat currencies or property or stocks, and that will lead to a whole new world where you will have property represented using blockchain technologies, where you will be able to give microloans programs to people that maybe nowadays don't have access to these programs because the current system does not have the technology to support them.
Okay. And today, who is using Rootstock? RSK.
So we are working with many companies that are trying their solutions on RSK. Some of the most notable ones include Davivienda, that is the second largest bank in Colombia.
Yes.
Tarjeta Naranja, that is a very big independent credit card in Argentina. We also were part of the Dubai Accelerator program last February. Their government was investigating to implement blockchain in all of their departments. So we were selected by them, and we were working together with the DoD to develop a solution.
Okay, and how does the RSK network talking to the Bitcoin blockchain today?
Okay, we are tied to the Bitcoin network in two main aspects. One is that we are very much focused on the implementation of use cases. So we wanted to remove any speculative components of the RSK platform. So we didn't want to issue a new currency, given that Bitcoin is the most widely used and the safest one. So we developed a bridge mechanism that enables Bitcoins to be transferred to our blockchain and the other way around. So we are a sidechain of the Bitcoin blockchain. And the second important point of contact with the Bitcoin network, it's the merge mining. We developed merge mining technology that enables Bitcoin miners to mine on the Bitcoin blockchain and on the RSK blockchain at the same time. Therefore, our network is effectively secured by the same miners that are securing the Bitcoin network.
Okay, so now the Bitcoin miner that is not mining the block is able today to mine an RSK transaction.
Exactly. So the Bitcoin miners will have an additional revenue stream by trying to mine on both blockchains at the same time. So some solutions that they will find and that may not be useful for Bitcoin will be useful for RSK.
Okay. So can we dig deeper more in the RSK bridge that you have talked about?
Yes, sure. So the RSK bridge is the technology that lets Bitcoins to be transferred to the RSK blockchain and vice versa. It's not really that the Bitcoins are transferred, but they are blocked onto a special address on the Bitcoin network. And whenever that happens, a special contract on the RSK blockchain detects that and releases the corresponding smart Bitcoins on the RSK blockchain.
Okay.
And the other way around, you can always reclaim back Bitcoins.
Of course.
So you can call that bridge contract on the RSK network, and the contract will prepare a Bitcoin transaction that will let you to release the corresponding Bitcoins on the Bitcoin network. One important bit of that is that currently we have a federated peg. So the step to move Bitcoins to RSK, it's automatic. But the step to move, in order to move your smart Bitcoins to the Bitcoin blockchain, you need members of a global federation to sign the Bitcoin transaction.
So today the RSK code is written in Java, as I understood. And so the developers that are listening to us today, if they want to start coding on the RSK, what languages they can use?
So our platform is fully compatible with the Ethereum platform. So any smart contract developer that writes his contracts in Solidity can use the same contracts against the RSK network. It's worth mentioning that our testnet is already live and that our source code is available on our GitHub at github.com/RSK Smart.
In all cases, I'll be putting all those links down in the comment. So if people they are interested, they can go and start.
Excellent. So they can go and try their contracts straight away.
Okay. And can you tell us just last question about the Ginger testnet?
Sure. So the Ginger testnet has been running since May. We announced it in the last consensus conference at New York. We have about 100 nodes at the moment. We are willing to have more, so we invite everyone that wants to try our platform and wants to contribute to add smart contracts to the Bitcoin network, to run their own nodes and connect it to the network. The network is already merge mining against the Bitcoin blockchain. We have miners representing 70% of the hashing power in the world trying our merge mining technology.
Okay, so which pool today is trying the merge mining with RSK?
So we are working with Slash, we are working with Antpool, we are working with BTC.com, we are working with Bitfury. So so many of them we are working with Vishin, and I'm forgetting probably a lot of them, but some of the most important ones are working with us.
Okay, so finally, how can the people that are interested participate and be part of this community?
Well, there are several different ways to participate and to contribute to RSK, and we greatly appreciate that.
Of course.
We really look forward for feedback from the development community about our code. So anyone can download the code, review it, and send us his feedback. We are willing to reply either through pull requests or comments on GitHub or through our Gitter channel.
Okay.
If you are a smart contracts developer, you can also start running your smart contracts on our nodes. And finally, it would be great if you can download the node and running to enlarge our network. You can currently download the executable files from our GitHub, or there's also a virtual image ready in the Amazon marketplace so that you can start straight away your node in the cloud, and shortly we'll have images uploaded to the Azure platform and to the Docker.
Okay, nice. Well, Ruben Altman, thank you a lot for this interview. Hope you enjoyed Ruben Altman talking about the RSK. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you very much.